Hello guys, so today we are going to see Minna no Nihongo lesson 15 vocabulary. So let's start without wasting any time. Tachimasu, tachimasu, meaning to stand up. Suwarimasu, suwarimasu, meaning to sit down. Sukaimasu, sukaimasu, meaning to use. Okimasu, okimasu, meaning to put. For example, to put something on the table. Sukurimasu, sukurimasu, meaning to make or to produce. Urimasu, urimasu, meaning to sell. Shirimasu, shirimasu, meaning to know. Sumimasu, sumimasu, meaning be going to live. Kenkyu shimasu, kenkyu shimasu, meaning to do research or to study, and the person who do research is known as kenkyu sha. Shitte imasu, shitte imasu, meaning to know. Sunde imasu, sunde imasu, meaning to live or to reside. For example, Osaka ni sunde imasu, meaning to live in Osaka. Shiryo, shiryo, meaning materials or data. Katarogu, katarogu, meaning catalog. Jikoku hyo, jikoku hyo, meaning timetable. Fuku, fuku, meaning clothes. Seihin, seihin, meaning products. Sofuto, sofuto, meaning software. Seinmon, seinmon, meaning specialty or field of study. Haisha, haisha, meaning dentist. Urei gaido, urei gaido, meaning ticket agency. In many places, the meaning of this word is written as play guide, which is incorrect. The exact sense is a place from where you can buy tickets. For example, like for movie theater, for amusement park, etc. Okay. Then we have Dokushin, Dokushin, meaning single or unmarried. Tokuni, Tokuni, meaning specifically. Omoi dashimasu, omoi dashimasu, meaning to remember or to recollect. Go kazoku, go kazoku, meaning your family. Irashaimasu, irashaimasu, meaning be, and it is same, and it is has same honorific equivalent of imas, or we can say it is honorific equivalent to imas. Kouko, kouko, meaning senior high school. So this is it for the today's lesson, guys. I hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe the channel if you like the content, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you.